Hi, my name is Beck and I'm one of the opticians here at SmartBuyGlasses. Today we're going to talk about reading glasses, who needs them, what they are, and how they can help you. Reading glasses are a tool that are used to help people with presbyopia, which is a common eye concern as we age. Basically, the natural lens in our eye loses its ability to focus, meaning that our eyes need a little bit of help to be able to see things up close, like fine print, computer screens, labels, etc. And this is where reading glasses come in. The lenses are generally a magnification lens, which means that it's going to make things appear bigger and closer for you to make it easier and take the stress off your eyes. Now, generally we see that people who need reading glasses are over the age of 40, but to be honest, with the amount of screen time that we have in this day and age, it's actually becoming more increasingly that younger people need reading glasses as well. Now, really importantly, I want to touch on ready-made reading glasses, and the reason being is these are not customizable, so they do not replace your prescription glasses, okay? Please understand that they have the same power in both eyes, cannot correct astigmatism, so you really want to make sure that what you are wearing is your correct prescription so that you're going to have the best vision. Ready-made reading glasses are a great option for short-term use, quick, simple options when you're out traveling maybe and just need to look at something briefly, but they're not a replacement for your prescription glasses. Overall, reading glasses are a simple and affordable option to help anybody who has difficulty with small print or seeing objects up close. They're a great way to be able to get you enjoying your favorite hobbies, those good books, and getting back on your technology to connect with family. I hope this video has been helpful and that you now understand reading glasses just that little bit better. If you have any more vision related questions, feel free to jump onto our website, check out the great articles, or jump onto the online Ask the Optician and we'll be there to help you.